Hello everyone, my name is Hafsa and I joined the KFI program today. It was a very engaging session and we had a lot of fun and group activity which was quite engaging, and I thought that the session was relevant to my life, and I think that it will help me build up my life skills. Thank you for Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring this, and I will recommend others to join this session as well.
Hello, my name is Hans. I attend KFI Global program today. At first, I didn't want to attend that class. I didn't want to know anything about that. But out of that, I got some knowledge. I got some new thing about emergency fund, budgeting myself, and it helped me know a bit about myself before knowing something else, since I wanted to start some investment. So I really do recommend those programs to every single student around, and thank you for everything.
Hi, my name is Azra Mariam. I attended the KFI Global program today. It was a wonderful experience since I got deeper insights on the art on how to manage money. It was an open and engaging discussion. There were some anecdotes and relatable experiences shared so that we could relate and not make mistakes. It was a lovely experience engaging in this financial literacy discussion for the younger generation, especially since we do not have more knowledge on it.
Hello, my name is Ahmed Shahabdin and I attended the KFI Global program. The main reason that I liked this program was because of its focus on credit cards. Many other programs that I've attended talk about credit cards, but it's only for 5 to 10 minutes. This program had an almost hour-long session just on credit cards, and it really helped me because the concepts that you learn in this session, it's really easy to understand and easy to apply in your daily life. Even as we were attending the session, many of the concepts that were spoken about, you could easily start applying them right then and there. And that's why it really helped me a lot. So thank you to Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring and for allowing us to attend.
Hello, my name is Ikra. Today I attended the KFI program, which was initiated by Dubai Islamic Bank, and we would like to thank Dubai Islamic Bank for initiating this program. This program gave us financial insights of what's happening around the world and how to manage credit cards, and more information regarding the financial literacy. And also, we really suggest today's young generation to please come and approach KFI for attending this program.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Ganga. I'm a professor at AMity University, Dubai. Today we had a program called as Financial Education to our BCom and BBA students. At AMity University, we always encourage our students to equip life skills beyond the classroom, and this is one of the programs to fill this gap, and they had a wonderful time with Miss Merlin Pinto, thanks to her efforts and time, continuously organizing 5 to 6 hours of workshop on various topics of investment and spending and of resources collection and everything. My students enjoyed a lot. Thanks to Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring this event. Thank you so much.